LandingAI is releasing today a significant update to Agentic Document Extraction that uses a new model that we call a Document Pretrained Transformer, or DPT, to accurately extract information even from complex documents. Let me show you one thing I'm excited about, which is how it performs on large tables, which is important for finance, healthcare, and many other applications, but that most models struggle with. Given a table, our model first extracts the table structure, such as where are the rows, where are the columns, where are the merged cells, and so on. This breaks complex tables down into smaller and easier subproblems where it's easier to then extract the relevant information from just one part of the table. This significantly reduces common errors like hallucinations and shifted cells. As a nice bonus, we can also take advantage of parallel extraction, which allows us to parse tables much faster than before. Here's a sample sales volume report from a PDF file with over 1,000 cells in the table. A common use case that I hear from financial analysts is they want to import all this data from PDF into Excel so they can work with it interactively. Using the Agentic Doc Extraction SDK, you could do this with just a few lines of code. With this code snippet, I can get the markdown parsing of the entire page. So after a few seconds of processing, here's the output. The table is extracted in HTML to precisely describe the table structure. For convenience, I'll visualize just the table here in the Jupyter Notebook. Now, I'll also download the table as HTML and go to Google Sheet to import it. And this gives you the entire table reproduced cell by cell, but in a Google Sheet. Here's another example showing a patient's lab report of a comprehensive metabolic panel. A common use case is to fetch a specific piece of information from the report, such as the patient's glucose levels. Let's do this one in the LandingAI online playground, which you can use to visualize Agentic Doc Extraction's output. You can just drag and drop. And as you can see, the table structure is reproduced exactly, and the results and data from the flags column are accurate. With the chat feature, I can also ask it, what are the patient's glucose levels? And here, you can verify that the answer is correct, and it also shows the grounding of the answer in the exact cell from the table it came from. One final example. Scanned and handwritten tables are still very common. This is a construction weekly report, which logs the hours and work accomplished each day. Let's drag and drop. Again, the table structure with multi-level headers is extracted precisely. For example, take a look at the worker table here. The values are all accurate as well. With this update, Agentic Document Extraction powered by latest DPT model can now parse tables much more accurately and faster too, using an agentic workflow that the model has been trained directly to use. Please check it out at this URL. And I hope you build some cool things with Agentic Document Extraction.